We're keeping an eye on some severe weather concerns over the next several days in the central U.S. That'll lead to some heavy rainfall as well, and maybe some snow on the backside of this in the high elevations. And we're also talking about that Fort McMurray fire, which has consumed almost 1,600 structures, and about 90,000 people have been evacuated from this area. Just an incredibly rapidly growing wildfire in Alberta there. And take a look at the smoke plume seen via visible satellite from last week. In fact, that smoke is drifting into lower 48, some very poor air quality, and leading to several sunrises that have been orange in the Midwest and down into the central U.S. All right, let's talk about these storm reports from yesterday. Actually, one lone thunderstorm rolling into Louisville after the Kentucky Derby with some large hail and damaging winds. And then in Colorado, we had about 12 tornado reports. Kind of interesting. And over the last 7 days, 934 storm reports nationally. And through May 7th, nationally, we've had about 386 tornadoes so far this year. So severe weather could be popping up in the central U.S. It was a view from Wichita, Kansas, actually under that enhanced threat of severe weather. A 10% hatched area of tornadoes within the central plains, 30% chance of hail actually stretching into northeastern Kansas, then a 15% chance of damaging winds all the way down into Texas. So again, watching that line of showers and storms to develop later this afternoon into the evening hours, and then by tomorrow that threat is still enhanced over the central U.S. and the middle Mississippi Valley. By Tuesday, the threat diminishes a little bit, but pushes into the Ohio Valley. And then on Wednesday, we still have that heightened alert risk over the middle Mississippi Valley. So some heavy rainfall to the tune of 2 to 4 inches in the central U.S. as well. Could lead to some flooding. And on the backside of the storm system, we're still kicking out some pretty decent moisture. In fact, eastern Montana could have 2 to 4 inches of liquid over a 5-day period, and then some snowfall expected in the high elevations over a 5-day period. Some spots could see nearly 6 inches of snow or more.